Hello. We are doing a 3-year-old's makeup today. And this is Nevaeh. Nevaeh, say hi.
Hi.
To the camera, say hi.
Hi.
Alright. We're going to let her pick the colors. So what color do you want? No, not the... You can pick from these 3. Any of these, not these 2. Any of these. Pick one. Pick one. No, all these, not these 2. Okay, brown, and what else? And red? Alright.
Red.
Alright. Head up, put your head up. So we're gonna do it lightly. Oh, don't move your head.
I just find the sheet.
Look at me.
Red, yellow, amber. This one, I'm going to do red.
Alright, we're doing green. Look up. Look up.
No,
Up.
red.
This is red.
No, it's not green.
This is red, Nevaeh.
Green.
Oh, okay, you want me to do green?
No. Red.
Okay, look, I'm doing red. Now look up, please.
Not green.
I'm not using green.
Yellow, white. You want green and red.
Okay, you want me green yet?
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
No, not green and red.
This is red.
Yeah.
Hold your head up, baby.
Ow.
It got hurt. Oh, I'm sorry.
This.
Alright. Hold it up. Are you ready?
Ow.
This does not hurt. What are you doing?
This.
Oh, that's okay. Alright, look up. Look up.
This.
Oh, okay, look up. You ready?
No.
You look so good, girl. Ooh. Look at me. Look at me. Stop fighting with it. Just look up.
Now.
Alright, now I gotta do the black on your eyebrows. Come here. Get your hair back. This does not hurt. What are you doing?
Ow.
How does it hurt? Tell
My
me that.
neck.
Let's stop doing that with your neck. Oops. I got on your forehead now. Would you move? Hold your head up, please. Nevaeh, please. What are you guys doing? Stop it. She's yelling at me. My kiddos don't want to